Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'd like to walk you through my Discord server that I've set up for my online Power BI, Learn Power BI training community. So if ever you want to, or you have an online community and you're looking for an online platform to sort of support your students, well, I'd like to show you what I've set up and maybe it's going to help you. So this is Discord. So in Discord, I've set up a couple of categories. So if you right click on the server name, there's a couple of settings that we can set. And there are three sort of types of channels or groups that we can create. Okay, I've created what we call categories. So under categories, it's just a way for us to group our channels. So I created an information category, community category, Learn Power BI course module category, learning and support, showcase, and extra. So starting off with the information category. So this is the landing page, if you like. When the students log in, I try to direct them towards this channel. So if you're not familiar with Discord, you can organize your content around categories. That's what I did. And then under the categories, you can create what we call channels. So channels are these chat groups. Okay, so they're different. I think there are three types. Let me just click here on the plus sign. There are three types of channels. Okay, you can create text-based channels, voice, or forum. So for now, I've set up only text-based channels. So for example, the students, they arrive here and I named this channel start here. So this post gives an overview of all the categories. I've got a community category for them to introduce themselves. And of course, I've got the main Learn Power BI course modules. So with the course modules, I divided, because I have a couple of modules, and I created a channel for each module. Okay, for the foundations one here, I grouped modules 1 through to 4 because it's just theory videos. But for the other modules, they're a bit detailed. So I decided to create a text channel per module. So then students, when they need to ask a question in regards to module 5, they can just post in module 5. Okay, it just helps me to organize the questions. If they cannot find or they cannot identify the correct channel to post their questions, they can post under Q&A help. Okay, moving down, I've got also learning and support. So this is just general discussion. I added showcase as well, where the students can showcase their work, feedback, post their work and get some feedback, and any wins and achievements that they've achieved. Okay, and lastly, I added some extras and opportunities. For example, job opportunities, I'll post them here. The data challenges, because there'll be a Pacific Database Challenge coming up. So I'm thinking of encouraging my students to participate. So all this type of information, I'll post it here. And finally, industry news, just some industry news that my students may be interested in. So this is the overview of my Discord server. So if you are looking for an online platform, you can check Discord out. It's completely free, and I'm just going to try out this for now and see how well it's going to work for my online community. Well, I hope you learned something new in this video. Comment below of what you use for your online community. And thank you all so much for watching, and I'll talk to you all in my next video.